So I'm going to show you this quick curly bang high puff up to on this old twist out that I had for just a couple of days. So you'll need the tresemme mousse and a moisturizer. I use the olive oil moisturizer. You could use any mousse, but I just find that this mousse works really well. So you're gonna put some mousse on a section. You could do the entire hair all at one time, or you can put it in your palm, which I did on the other puff, on the other sections, and then twist it down. Now if your hair is extremely dry, you might want to add the moisturizer with it, but you don't want your hair to be extremely wet, or else it would take forever to dry. And I was going out like in a couple hours, so I wanted to make sure that it wasn't too much moisturizer with the mousse, so that it dried just enough. So then you twist that into a bantu knot, and then I'm going to show you again. So you take some mousse, and again you could add some moisturizer, and you twist it, and you want to twist it tight enough so that the curl is just as tight. So take your time and twist it down. I don't know if you noticed, but I said it before in another video that I am transitioning my hair, so the roots of my hair is extremely puffy and the ends are a bit damaged. Not a bit, they are damaged, but you can't tell from this one plait that looks extremely juicy. But yeah, it is damaged. Some sections are extremely damaged. So you want to twist that again into a bantu knot. And I twist the hair while I'm twisting it around itself to get a nice twist out after it is dried. So now after you've done your entire section in the front, and you just want to do that midsection, I didn't really pat my hair like perfect because it was going to go up in one anyways, and the curls were going to hit the pat. You're going to take some moisturizer and some mousse again and just put it all around the perimeter of your hair and work that in. Then some more moisturizer, and you want to take your time with this pat because it's an old twist out. So if it was like mine, I don't want to knot my hair, so I'm also going to detangle with a leave-in that is from Shea Vanda, a local product in the BBI. I'm going to put the details on the product in the description box. Oh my god, I can't talk today. In the description box, so you can get all the information on that. And I detangle with the combination of the moisturizer and the leave-in before I attempt to put my hair in a ponytail. So I'm going to finger detangle. You can do this with a white tip comb or however you detangle your hair. Go ahead and do that. And now I'm going to take some edge control after I finish detangling my hair and put that on my edges. Now you know, if you watch my edge control raw video, you would know that I find that the best edge control for me is the Ebin New York edge control, and I have a bigger one, but I'm using the small one just to finish it before I use the big one, which is a 48-hour one, and this is a 24-hour one. So I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail, a high ponytail. Make sure you get all of your hair in this ponytail, and take a band and wrap it around. However you would normally put your hair in a ponytail, go ahead and do that. I don't use any bobby pins or anything. I just wrap the band around my hair. Now I'm going to take some gel. I didn't show you, but I am using the olive oil gel I'm just gonna put that all around and work it in with a comb. And you don't have to use a comb, but I am, because underneath was a bit dry, so I wanted to make sure that the gel got through and stayed. And then you twist your ponytail, because nope, I'm not using my real hair. And then pin it. I'm going to use something that looks like my real hair, but I want to actually protect my actual ends, because as I said, my hair is damaged and I don't want to cause any more damage to it. So I'm going to use this piece that I made. I found this cool trick on YouTube. I can't remember which YouTuber I was watching, but I found it on YouTube. So you're just going to take a normal hair band and crochet a piece of hair like this. Any hair that's natural to your hair, or whatever type of style you're doing, but just take a piece of hair. I wrap it around my finger, and then on the band you're just gonna put it through. Now it's a bit difficult with showing you this now that it's basically finished, but you just put the hair through, and then the loop that you made, you just pull the other end through it, the same way you would do as if you were crocheting hair onto your hair. So now that middle section, you just put it around, and I'm talking to my sister, that's why it seems like I'm talking. I'm not talking to myself, I'm actually talking to my sister. So you just put that hair piece around your bun and you pin it on. Now I probably use 3 pins to just secure the hair, because I wasn't leaving this on. This was just something quick to do, so I'm not gonna use a whole bunch of pins in it. So I'm just pinning it on, fluffing it out, working with it to just make sure it's secure enough. And then I'm unraveling some of the curls in the piece, and I'm about to wrap my hair. Now this is easy for me, because just in case it's a lot of hair, you can easily take off this piece and go to sleep if you don't like sleeping with a bunch of hair. And this is, as I said, it is a crochet braid. It's the Afro Kinky, about 20-inch hair, and I'll put the information on the hair in the description box. So I'm going to wrap my hair, and you can do this at night if you had old twist out and you wanted something quick again to do for the next day before you wash your hair. And by the next day, it's going to be amazing. Your clothes are going to be amazing. But as I said, this is in like 3 hours later. I was ready to go out. 3 or 4 hours later, I was ready to go out. So that's why I didn't want to put too much moisturizer on it. So I'm going to make sure that they are dry enough. And then I had to go around my perimeter again to just make sure my edges go down, those that popped up. And I decided to just make sure, because I wanted like a no fade, but I wanted to make sure that my knots were completely dry. And in the process of doing this, blow drying them, the actual hair piece became loose. So just be aware of that. If you're going to use a blow dryer on your hair while this type of hair is on top, because then it's going to get a bit straight. So I had to go back with bobby pins and just pin it down because it got really elongated. So now I'm going to take down my twist, and you have to be careful taking it down. And this is why it's important to twist your hair with 2 strands, because right here I was having a bit of trouble because I started off with 2 uneven strands and then had to detangle them a bit too much. So now that everything is out, I'm going to just play with it a little more to make sure that they all fall the way I want it to. So I'm going to take a pin and just pin it on one side with a bobby pin. Just make it fall a little bit on the side. And you can go ahead and detangle and separate them, as much as you want to, but I know it's very humid and I know the twist would eventually puff back out to match the hair. But if you want to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead. That's it. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.